Greetings, friends. So, friends, I have a big update tonight. Top Democrats are now debating on new crisis relief programs. A group of senators are also meeting to discuss what changes will be made to Congress, as well as other federal programs. This includes Social Security and SNAP benefits. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video if you receive monthly benefits. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Friends, please watch until the end of this video because I'll be announcing today's winner.
9.1% inflation. Today's new data shows the consumer price index remaining at a painful 40-year high, jumping to 9.1% for June from 8.6% in May, which was a record in May. And this chart basically shows that. There's a couple of points I want to make about this chart. When President Biden took office, the inflation rate was 1.7%, or the CPI, I think it was 1.7%. Look where it's, and for the 4 years previous to that, it was in that zone. Look where it's gone now, and the president continues to try to give reasons for this, even using Russia, but the little data on the right there shows that the Russian invasion took place at around 7 or 8%, and it's been going up since. Economic conditions generally for Americans have deteriorated significantly. Inflation-adjusted wages of workers are falling. Consumer and business confidence is cratered. Nest eggs of retirees and workers are eroding from a double whammy of inflation and lower retirement account values. And the odds of recession have been rising, and stagflation is an imminent threat. Nonetheless, in the face of all of this, the Democrats want to raise taxes, including on the middle class, as we will show in a minute.
There are some big changes coming to Congress. Social Security beneficiaries will be in line to receive a record high cost of living adjustment in 2023, all due to inflation. The question is exactly how high it may be based on the new Consumer Price Index data for the month of June, which was released Wednesday. The Senior Citizens League estimates that the cost of living adjustment will be around 10.5% for 2023. A 10.5% COLA would amount to $175.10 increase to the average monthly retirement benefit of $1,668, according to the Senior Citizens League. In comparison, the group's estimates from the past 2 months indicated that COLA for the next year might be around 8.6%. That's as a consumer price index for all urban consumers, or CPIU, climbed 9.1% in June over the previous 12 months. That is the fastest pace since 1981. To be sure, the estimate for next year's COLA is still tentative. The Social Security Administration calculates the annual adjustment by taking an average of the third quarter data from the current year and then comparing it with the third quarter from the previous year. The actual increase for next year may vary depending on how high inflation is in the next coming months. Looking ahead, there are a number of reasons why we expect those high prices to ease over the next coming months. So if inflation cools in the coming months and is lower than the recent average, the COLA could be 9.8%. According to the Senior Citizens League, if instead it runs hot or higher than the recent average, the increase to benefits could be 11.4%. In 2022, Social Security beneficiaries received a record 5.9% boost to benefits, which is the highest increase in about 40 years. However, since then, inflation has kicked up. The state and local tax deduction issue threatens to spark a showdown among Democrats as high-stakes Senate talks inch closer to a deal on President Biden's economic agenda. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senator Joe Manchin are negotiating a slimmed-down tax and spending plan. But Senator Manchin says the federal deduction popular in high-tax states like New York, New Jersey, and California, which is known as SALT, has not been in the mix. Joe Manchin, a West Virginia Democrat, told reporters this week that has not been in the talks at all. Failing to include a SALT break expansion in the long-stalled legislation is a risky proposition for Democrats, whose slim control of both chambers leaves little room for defections. Democrats representing high-tax districts have already pledged to withhold support for a tax increase bill that doesn't address SALT. Joe Manchin and Chuck Schumer have yet to release a comprehensive plan with the specifics about new spending on climate and health, offset by tax increases and prescription savings. Chuck Schumer has stated he wants to pass the bill this summer. Raising a $10,000 SALT cap has been a key priority for Senator Bob Menendez, a New Jersey Democrat, as well as several House members. Democrats cannot lose any votes in the Senate. Senator Joe Manchin and Chuck Schumer have been engaged in exclusive, closed-door negotiations for weeks now about the contents of the revamped budget package. Senator Bob Menendez said he is focused on including SALT in a final deal. Menendez also told reporters, "We are working to include it. I do not know whether to be optimistic about reconciliation as a whole or not." In-House Representative Cheryl of New Jersey told reporters that she opposes any tax increase on her constituents, including the wealthy. She indicated that if SALT is included, then she could back some way to boost tax revenue. Representatives Josh Gottheimer of New Jersey and Tom Suozzi of New York reiterated their promise to vote against any bill that doesn't expand the SALT break. The SALT deduction is a political difficult issue for many Democrats. Some progressives dislike making SALT more generous because the vast majority of the benefits go to a relatively high-income household at a time when Democrats are seeking to raise taxes on corporations and the wealthy. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Please leave me your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here this Wednesday. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Michelle Denny Oliver. Congratulations, my friend. If I have named you as the winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim your gift card. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.